there, folks. Today, we've got a solution to a common issue that many iPhone users encounter. You might have seen the message "Receive contact information." To share your contact information, set up your My Card in Contacts pop-up on your screen. If you're wondering how to resolve this, you've come to the right place. Let's get into it. You have to set up your name card. For that, open Phone app, tap on your name card. Go for Edit. Add your phone number. Add your photo. And go for Done. Now all you have to do is bring your iPhone near to another iPhone like this, and the contact information will be automatically shared. Apple is also using an intuitive animation to confirm the transfer of contact through the Name Drop feature. And sharing a contact using Name Drop will fill the screen with a beautiful animation. I am in love with this beautiful animation. And there you have it. Using Name Drop on your iPhone to share your contact information is quick, efficient, and incredibly convenient. Whether you're networking professionally or just sharing your details with friends, this app can be a real time saver. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or want to see more tech tutorials like this, drop us a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.